Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be cleaning out the refrigerators. There's also going to be cleaning. As you can see, I'm putting up dishes, and I have the new monthly grocery haul, and then I'm going to put away the groceries. So if you need some cleaning motivation or some motivation to get some stuff done today, then I'm going to be doing some of that in this video. If you are new here, my name is Ivy. I am a wife and a mom of 4 older kids. I keep kids sometimes at my house. And on my channel, I like to do cooking, cleaning, homemaking, and lifestyle type things. So if you're interested in any of that kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks to all my old subscribers and my new subscribers. To my new subscribers, because I have some here, welcome. Thank you for coming over to my channel, and I hope you guys have a very blessed Wednesday.
Everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather, but I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get out, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you.
So now this is cleaned out and ready for more food. And then I clean this out and reorganize it so I can put the new food in here also. And then I took the I don't know the name of this stuff. I can't remember the name of the stuff, but it's a stainless steel cleaner, and I clean the refrigerator, something that has not been done in a long time. We just been going and going and going, and this kitchen really needs a good deep clean, so stay tuned for that video. It's coming up really soon. Some fall deep cleaning in my kitchen. I need to do that ASAP. So here I am just cleaning the refrigerator off, and then you're going to see me clean some pieces from the other refrigerator, but I'm not going to clean the whole refrigerator on this video. And then my grocery haul is coming up.
Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, yeah, you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah.
So I'm going to start with the produce. I got tomatoes. These are Roman tomatoes. I got some cucumbers and some zucchini. I got some spinach, some mixed peppers, the sweet peppers. I got some salad, some apples, strawberries, and pineapples. Got 2 things of pineapples. Okay, then I got some more of these honey buzzers. And then the Tutti Frutti Fruit Loop things. Got a roast, some milk, some honey bunches of oats, peppermint mocha creamer, the extra. I got some more grapefruit juice, some beef ribs, some turkey bacon, some butter, some mac and cheese, some drumsticks and some chicken thighs, turkey sausage, pepper jack cheese, cream cheese, 2 things of turkey deli meat, 2 things of bacon, 2 things of ground beef. This is our ham for Thanksgiving. I bought a ham steak, tater tot rounds, chicken tenders, chicken tenderloins, turkey meat. I got a turkey for Thanksgiving, some okra back here, some corn, pork chops, salmon, 2 things of that, cooking oil. I got another one of these garlic chicken wrap things, 1 thing of wheat bread, 1 thing of white bread, eggs, what is this, chicken fritters. So that's our haul for this month. The time is flying by and these prices are still ridiculous. So I'm going to go back over and show you the produce. And there is our produce. And that is our haul for this month. So now I'm just putting away the groceries, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below and let me know if you would like to see more cleaning videos. I'm going to do them anyway, but just leave me a comment. Let me know if you like to see more cleaning videos. I'm still going to be doing hauls. I'm still going to be doing day in the lives here and there, get it all done type videos. So I'm coming to the end of this video. I'm going to finish putting up these groceries, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.